I thought they were very cute. I thought my son would like the cup a lot. It might be able to. I mean, like I said, she's willing to try to figure out how to ship internationally. And if it's not liquids, usually that can go overseas. And her decals are very high quality and they apply like a dream normally. So I do highly recommend it. I think nail techs should be more into decals because not all of them can do hand-painted nail art, and that's okay. Some of us just don't specialize in that. We're okay with that, you know? So it came with candy. Oh, this is Sour Bats. So Haribo are some of my very favorite gummies. Yes. So then we also have Dum Dums, and she said that these were holiday flavored. So we have pumpkin pie, and caramel apple. So if anybody knows me, for fall, I lean apple versus pumpkin. I like apple pie, I like apple cider, I like caramel apples. So that tends to be my vibe. Especially there's a pastry company called Entenmann's, and they make apple cider donuts at this time of the year in the grocery. They're so, so good. Hi, Tara. We haven't started unboxing the numbers yet. We are just in the little goodie cup that came with the box. Hi, Amanda. Hey, thanks for coming to hang out. So we are doing the Cosmic box. This is the goodie cup. They have fall-themed Dum Dums. We have Scary Sour Bats from Haribo. We have some Halloween Skittles. Let's see. They're called Shriekers. So they're bite-sized, and they come in the flavors Shocking Lime, Ghoulish Apple, Rattled Raspberry, Citrus Scream, and Spine Tingling Tangerine. Yeah, these are new to me. Very cute. And of course, we have the quintessential Nerds, if anybody remembers getting these in your Halloween buckets all the time. And we got some cute little teeth. Yum, 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 yum. And a little ring with eyeballs, which my son will think is very cute. I bet it glows. It looks like it's made of a material that glows. That's cute. So, it's fun. It's cute. If you have kids, you know, they're going to like it too. And if you're a kid at heart, you will love. All right, let's get back into this box and look at what we are seeing. So the box itself is all like, I think cricket cut items. So they are hand assembled. They're beautiful. They got glitter. Really, really high attention to detail. Christy is always amazing with that. Okay. Then we have a cute little folded box. Yep, Amanda, these are still available too. We've got our numbered sheets. Let's see what else we've got. Aw, cute little pumpkins are in here as decoration. If you need anything to pose with, these are cute. You can have them scattered in the background of your reels. That's always fun. I love things like that. Okay. Here is the bat box that was mentioned. How adorable. And again, these are all hand cut, you know, they're cut with the Cricut, but they're hand assembled. And then you're able to get your coffin that has your stuff in it customized. So you can gift it. You can have it named after your own Instagram or channel if you want. So I guess you guys could probably guess what I did. How cute is this?